The original post for this video can be found on Sabrina's Crafty Corner Facebook page. Hi guys, I just wanted to show you how my stars turned out. This is the last batch, so as you can see they're all nice and rusted. How rusty you make them depends on how many times you spray them. So I just used this cheap plastic spray bottle and put 2 cups of hydrogen peroxide in there, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and a half a teaspoon of salt. And then you shake it up until the salt is dissolved. And then I had soaked them in a glass bowl, and you can see the moving liquid, and that had rubbing alcohol in it. And then after soaking them in here for a couple of hours, then I take them out and I lay them on a puppy pad. You want to do this in a well-ventilated area because this can cause fumes. And then you just take this and spray it all over. And they will instantly start turning red, bubbling, and rusting. So as soon as it starts to bubble and turn red, you know it's working, and it should do it instantly, like right away. So, and how rusty you want them depends on, you know, how many times that you decide to. I did about 4 sprays on these. I wanted a deep rust. So I got a deeper rust on these. So if you don't want as deep of a rust, just spray them once and see how you like it. You know, if you want some of the silver metal to show through, just spray them once, see how you like it, and if it's still not rusty enough, spray them a second time. But for me, I wanted a deep rust. So, and use gloves when doing this because you're going to flip them over. So once the top is all rusted, you're going to individually flip them all over and then spray the bottom. And so make sure you use gloves because that rust gets all over your hands. And then here's some I've already done. They're already dried. I've already got them all bagged up. And I have 3 different sizes here. Those are some bigger ones. These are some small ones. So, and these are finally dry. They're done. So, anyway, I know I gave you a written tutorial, but I wanted to show you how well it works. So, all right. Well, happy Saturday, and I hope you guys have a very blessed weekend. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching my video, and you have about 5 seconds to screenshot this recipe. Happy rusting!